Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how you can centrally manage backup policies across your AWS organization. Instead of configuring backups individually in each account, you can define backup policies once and have them automatically apply to all accounts in your organization or specific organizational units. This gives you consistent data protection across your entire AWS environment with minimal operational overhead. AWS Organizations integrates with AWS Backup to let you create backup policies at the organizational level. This matters for a few important reasons. First, it offers centralized management. You define your backup plans, schedules, and retention rules in one place, either from your management account or a delegated administrator account. No need to log into each member account individually. Second is consistency. Every account that the policy applies to gets the exact same backup configuration. This eliminates drift and ensures your compliance requirements are met uniformly. Third, delegated administration. You can designate a backup administrator account to manage these policies without giving them access to your management account, following the principle of least privilege. And finally, automatic inheritance. When you attach a policy to an organizational unit, any new accounts added to that OU automatically inherit the backup policy. No manual setup is required. Now, let's jump into the console and walk through setting this up. First, we're going to start in our organization's management account. We'll go to the AWS Organizations service page. Then we'll click Policies on the left-hand menu. Once we're in there, you're going to see backup policies listed. Go ahead and click that, and this is where we're going to enable the backup policies integration for AWS Organizations. While we're still logged into our organization's management account, we're going to go ahead and open the AWS Backup service page, and then under the My Account menu on the left-hand side, we'll go ahead and click Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the Cross-Account Management section, and under there, we're going to go ahead and enable cross-account monitoring. We'll also enable cross-account backups, and then also delegated administrator. This is going to allow us to perform cross-account backup actions as well as delegate an administrator for our AWS backup service across our organization. Now, if we scroll up slightly from where we just were, you'll see the delegated administrator section. Let's go ahead and register our delegated administrator account right now. Now, I've previously created a backup administrator account that's designated just for this task. So I'm going to go ahead and locate that within my org structure. I'm going to select that account, and then I'm going to click Register Delegated Administrator. Now, there is one more thing that we'll have to do if we want our delegated backup administrator account to have full access to manage our AWS backup organization policies. Right now, it can only create and monitor our AWS backup jobs. We're going to go ahead and stay in our management account and switch back to our AWS Organization service page. And under there, we're going to click on Settings. And within that page, you're going to see the Delegated Administrator for AWS Organizations menu section. Go ahead and click Delegate here. This is going to ask you for a delegation policy. Now, for the AWS Backup service, you can go to our AWS Organizations documentation page and search for the resource-based policy examples. In this page, you're going to find an example for consolidated permissions to manage an organization's backup policies. And in this example, you'll want to go ahead and remove the placeholders and put your own account IDs and organization IDs in here, and then paste that back into this delegation policy. After you've done that, you can go ahead and click Create Policy, and that will grant your delegated backup admin account full access to manage the backup policies across the organization. So now that we have that done, go ahead and switch over to the account that you've delegated for your backup administrator, and then open the AWS Organization service page from that account. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Policies, and then Backup Policies. And we'll go ahead and create our first organization's backup policy. I'm going to go ahead and call my policy the org daily backup policy. For backup plan name, I'll put daily backup policy. For backup plan name, I'll put daily backup plan. For backup plan regions, I'm going to go ahead and select my region, which is US East 1. For the backup rule name, I'm going to put daily rule, and then I'm going to put default for my backup vault. This is the default backup vault that's created as soon as you enable the AWS Backup service, and I'll just be using this for demo purposes. As far as backup frequency, I'm going to keep this as my daily backup, and I'll keep the default retention period. For the resource assignment name, I'm going to put tagged production resources. For the IAM role, I'm going to use the default service role that gets created when you create your first backup plan in any of the member accounts. For the resource tag key, I'm going to use backup, and we're going to be looking for a value of true in order for the backup plan to actually take place on those resources. So if you create a resource and the backup key is set to false or anything else, it won't get backed up. After that, I'm going to go ahead and click Create Policy. Once our org daily backup policy has been created, we can go ahead and check the box next to it, click on the Actions drop-down, and click Attach Policy. And this is where we'll be able to select which OU or OUs we want to make our backup plan available. You can even select the root OU if you'd like to make it available to your entire organization. Once that's been done, all we have to do is start tagging resources with the tag that we defined in our backup policy to start having that backup plan take action on them. In this video, we walked through enabling backup policies in our AWS organization, registered a delegated administrator account, created a backup policy with our backup plan and resource selection criteria, and attached that policy to an organizational unit. Member accounts in that OU will now see the backup plan appear automatically, and any resources they tag with our specified key value pair will be backed up according to our schedule. For more details on backup policy syntax and advanced configurations, check out the official AWS Backup service documentation. Thanks for watching.